Hello there! Welcome to this video lesson all about chemical reaction. In this short and informative session, we will explore the fascinating world of chemical transformation. Get ready to uncover the mysteries behind the rearrangement of atoms and molecules, understand the different types of reaction, and witness the incredible impact they have on our daily lives. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the wonders of chemistry. Let's dive in! So what is chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is the process that leads to the transformation of one set of chemical substances to another. It involves the breaking and formation of chemical bonds between atoms. During a chemical reaction, the atoms rearrange to form new substances with different properties. O ito ay proseso kung saan nagaganap ang pagbabago ng mga sangkap ng mga molekula upang makabuo ng bagong substansya.
So here are some examples of chemical reaction: digestion, combustion, and rust. Before we proceed, let us watch the video that contains other examples of chemical reaction. These are some evidences of chemical reaction. First, we have change of color, formation of gas, temperature change, change in smell, and lastly, formation of precipitate. Change of color. A change of color in a chemical reaction refers to the alteration in the appearance or hue of the substance involved. It occurs when the chemical composition of the reactants changes, resulting in the formation of new compounds with different optical properties. This change can be due to the formation of new compounds with different colors, transitions of electron energy levels, complex formation, or oxidation reduction reactions. Halimbawa, kapag ang bakal ay nagka-rust, nagbabago ito mula sa makintab na pilak na kulay patungo sa pula kayumanggi na kulay. Ito ay dahil sa chemical na reaksyon ng bakal sa oxygen at tubig na magre-resulta sa pagkakaroon ng iron oxide o tinatawag na rugas. Next is formation of gas. The formation of gas in a chemical reaction refers to the production or release of gas molecules as the result of reaction. This gas formation is a visible indication that a chemical reaction is taking place. If the formation of gas in a chemical reaction refers to the production or release of gas molecule as a result of the reaction, this gas formation is a visible indication that a chemical reaction is taking place. Halimbawa ng pagbuo ng gas sa chemical na reaksyon ay kapag nagre-react ang asido tulad ng vinegar at baking soda, nabubuo ang carbon dioxide gas na makikita sa pamamagitan ng mga bula. Ang mga reaksyon ng mga metal tulad ng magnesium o zinc sa mga acid tulad ng hydrochloric acid ay nagre-resulta sa pagbuo ng hydrogen gas na makikita sa pamamagitan ng paglabas ng mga gas bubbles. Next is temperature change. Temperature change in a chemical reaction refers to the alteration of temperature that occurs during the reaction. It can result in either an increase or decrease in temperature. Depending on the specific reaction, and the energy changes involved. Exothermic reaction release heat energy, leading a temperature increase, while endothermic reaction absorb heat energy, causing a temperature decrease. Narito ang isang halimbawa ng pagbuo ng gas sa isang chemical na reaksyon. Kapag nagre-react ang asukal o sucrose at asido sulfurico o sulfuric acid, nabubuo ang carbon dioxide gas. Ang reaksyong ito ay tinatawag na hydrolysis ng asukal. Kapag pinagsama ang asukal at asido sulfurico, narito ang isang halimbawa ng pagbuo ng gas sa isang chemical na reaksyon. Narito ang isang halimbawa ng pagbuo ng gas sa isang chemical na reaksyon. Kapag nagre-react ang asukal o sucrose at asido sulfurico, sulfuric acid, nabubuo ang carbon dioxide gas. Ang reaksyong ito ay tinatawag na hydrolysis ng asukal. Kapag pinagsama ang asukal at asido sulfurico, nagkakaroon ng paghihiwalay sa mga molekula ng asukal at asido, at ang carbon dioxide gas ay nabubuo bilang isang byproduct na reaksyon. Another example of chemical reaction is change in smell. A change in smell during a chemical reaction refers to the alteration or emergence of different odors as a result of the reaction. It occurs when new compounds are formed or existing compounds are broken down, leading to the release of volatile substances with distinct odors. Halimbawa, kapag niluluto ang pagkain, nagaganap ang Maillard reaction na nagreresulta sa pagbuo ng mga bagong sangkap na nagbibigay ng masarap na mga amoy. Sa parehong paraan, ang pagkakaaganas ng organic ng mga sangkap ay maaaring mag-produce ng masasamang amoy tulad ng hydrogen sulfide. And the last evidence of chemical reaction is the formation of precipitate. The formation of precipitate in a chemical reaction refers to the creation of a solid, insoluble substance that separates from the reaction mixture. It occurs when two soluble compounds react and form an insoluble product, which appears as a solid that settles at the bottom of the container. This process is known as precipitation. Ang halimbawa nito ay ang reaksyon ng silver nitrate at sodium chloride na nagreresulta sa pagbuo ng puting precipitate ng silver chloride. Ang pagbuo ng precipitate ay isang nakikitang palatandaan na magkakaroon ng chemical na reaksyon, at madalas itong makikita bilang isang maulap o solido na substansya na bumubuo sa isang dati-rati malinaw na solusyon.
So now, let's proceed to the types of chemical reaction. Combination. In a chemical reaction, a combination reaction, also known as synthesis reaction, occurs when two or more substances combine to form new compound. In this type of reaction, the reactants react together to produce a single product. The general equation for a combination reaction is A plus B give AB. Halimbawa, ang combination reaction sa pamamagitan ng hydrogen gas or H2 at oxygen gas O2 o pangbumuo ng tubig or H2O ay maaaring ilarawan bilang 2H2 plus O2 give 2H2O. Decomposition. A decomposition reaction occurs when a compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances. In this type of reaction, a single reactant is composed to produce multiple products. The general equation for this reaction is AB give A plus B. Halimbawa, ang reaction ng hydrogen peroxide or H2O2 ay maaaring ilarawan bilang 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. Displacement. A displacement reaction, also known as replacement reaction, occurs when one element replaces another element in a compound. In this type of reaction, an element takes the position of another element in a compound, resulting in the formation of a new compound. The general equation for this reaction is A plus BZ give AC plus B. Halimbawa, ang displacement reaction sa pagitan ng zinc metal or Zn at hydrochloric acid or HCl upang bumuo ng zinc chloride or ZnCl2 at hydrogen gas or H2 ay maaaring ilarawan bilang Zn plus 2HCl gives Zn2Cl2 plus H2. Double replacement. Double replacement reaction, also known as double replacement reaction, occurs when the positive and negative ions of two compounds switch places, resulting in the formation of two new compounds. In this type of reaction, the cations or positive ions and the anions or negative ions exchange partners. The general equation for a double displacement reaction is AB plus CD give AD plus CB. Halimbawa, ang double displacement reaction sa pagitan ng sodium chloride or NaCl at silver nitrate or AgNO3 upang bumuo ng sodium nitrate or NaNO3 at silver chloride or AgCl ay maaring ilarawan bilang NaCl plus AgNO3 gives NaNO3 plus AgCl. The last one is redox. A redox reaction, also known as an oxidation reduction reaction, occurs when there is a transfer of electrons from one reactant to another. A redox reaction consists of two parts: oxidation and reduction. The general equation of the redox reaction can be described as oxidized species plus reduced species gives reduced species plus oxidized species. Halimbawa, ang redox reaction sa pagitan ng iron or Fe at oxygen or O2 upang bumuo ng iron 3 oxide or Fe2O3 ay maaring ilarawan bilang 4Fe plus 3O2 gives 2Fe2O3. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.